So are you ready? Tell me you're ready, because it's here. What am I talking about? I'm talking about the new Chanel package. But you know what I'm really most excited about? The gift message. So yeah, I'm gonna unbox it with you guys for the first time. I've been waiting to open it until now. So I did not order a luxury handbag or anything like that because I wanted to make it strictly vegan and animal friendly, which brings me to right here, the gift message that you're going to see in a second. Isn't that beautiful? So I ordered the Le Coton, which is the cotton pads from Chanel. Yes, they're very extra right here. And it comes with these gifts, but I think the best gift of all and the most important are the messages that I included with this gift to myself. For me, as it should be for everybody and anybody else, is this right here. And these are the messages, the most important messages that I chose to include with this gift. How pretty. And these are the included gifts with the Le Coton right here. What? Where did that fall? Here it is right here. Because, like Marilyn, I go to bed wearing only Chanel No. 5. And you guys, here is the beautiful box of cotton. And there you have it, a Chanel